Today I will share with you how to estimate the amount you need for retirement. There are only a few inputs that you need. First of all, your age, your current age, what age are you going to retire, the number of years to retirement, life expectancy, this is going to be just an estimate, 70, 80. Number of years after retirement would be the difference of these two. And there are two assumptions that you need to estimate. One is the rate of return from your deposits or investments after retirement, and the expected inflation rate that we have in Malaysia is roughly on average is about 3%, and this is the formula for the adjustments of the rate of return by the inflation rate. Okay, so this is the current annual expense that you have. In this example, I'm assuming 4K per month. That would be a 48K per year. And this is the computation of your annual expense that is expected at retirement after adjusting for the inflation every year. Okay. And finally, over here, there is a present value formula in Excel, which you can actually incorporate into your computation. And based on this example and estimates, inputs, etc., we will see that the retirement fund target that you need is actually 2.3 million. Okay, so now on the rate of return after retirement, it's going to be this is just assuming it's the same as the inflation rate, but if assuming that you are earning 4% per year because you have high return on your investments, the amount that you need for retirement is going to be lesser at 2.1 million. So all these inputs over here, it's going to be something that you can adjust accordingly based on your current position or situation. And as you go along the years, you can actually recalculate again and to see what is the actual retirement fund that you need. Please also bear in mind the healthcare cost inflation, which is on average 15% per annum in Malaysia. This example is a very simplified computation whereby the assumption is the healthcare costs that you will spend during retirement is going to be offset by whatever mortgage loan installment that you're currently paying for your house purchase.